Welcome to Kindle Books Millionaire, How to Get Rich Writing, Publishing, and Selling Kindle Books written by Anbu Rayapan. In this course, you will learn the details of how to become successful and make money by writing, publishing, and selling Kindle books on Amazon. I have divided the course into 4 main sections. This section is called Money Making Machine, How to Publish, Market, and Make Money Using Kindle Books. In this section, you will learn how to publish, market, and ultimately make money using Kindle books. Introduction. In this lecture, you will learn the basics of why so many people are choosing to publish their books as ebooks or electronic books, and how you can corner that market for yourself. Absolutely anyone can become a millionaire by writing and publishing Kindle books. Why Kindle ebook? Kindle is Amazon's ebook platform. They are easy to buy, and you don't even need a Kindle device to read them on. You can store them on computer or smartphone. Did you know that ebooks are growing in popularity? They are becoming more and more prevalent, very quickly replacing physical books. For every 1 paperback book sold, there are 15 ebooks sold. In short, ebooks are a fast-growing trend, and Amazon is the most lucrative place to publish your ebooks and generate a steady income. Do I need an author platform? Absolutely not. If someone tells you that you must have an author platform, run like hell in the opposite direction. Do not waste your time and money on establishing author platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, blog, or website, etc. to market your book. People come there for free entertainment and information, not to purchase a book. Once you've become an established author or celebrity, then you will have a platform. You will have fans. People will look forward to your next book. And yes, in order to become successful, you will need to write more than 1 book. You may have an important question. How long should a book be? Your book doesn't have to be long. If you're considering writing a long novel, perhaps break it up into sections. For example, instead of a 200-page novel, write several 50-page novellas and you'll have a series. Let's say your background is in fitness. You could consider writing a series of fitness books. For example, Get a 6-pack in 3 months. Get an armor chest in 30 days. Build your arms in 45 days. Generally, when people buy a book in a series, they will end up buying more because they want more information. This is the end of this lecture. In the next lecture, we will find out why people are ready to buy short ebooks.